Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make this special Moimoi loaf. This is not like the regular Moimoi that you know, so stick around, let's do this together. Before then, I welcome all of you from wherever you are watching us from. You're highly welcome. Thank you for tuning in. So right away, I'm going to pour in the washed beans into the blender. I'm using honey beans for this. I'm going to add in some onion, scotch bonnet pepper, tatashe or atarodo. I'm also adding 1 egg for that lushness. So now I'm going to blend smoothly in the blender. Make sure your beans is very smooth. So here we have the blended beans. I'm going to add in some salt, seasoning powder and some vegetable oil, and then give it a thorough mix for everything to combine very well. Here I have some boiled eggs and some smoked mackerel fish for the filling. I'm just going to crush them into smaller bits. Treats, oh, yeah. Every bite's a melody, yeah. Cooking magic in your home, cause our food is never alone, oh. Yeah. So now everything is set. I am using the silicone bread mold for this moimoi. You can as well use any container of your choice. Anyone that is available, you can use it. So I'm just brushing it up with some vegetable oil so that it can easily come out after it is cooked. Now I'm going to just pour in a layer of the blended beans and then top it up with the boiled eggs and a layer of the blended beans again, and then top it up with the smoked mackerel fish, and finally top it up with the blended beans. I will repeat same with the other silicone mold. At this point you can use any filling of your choice. Treats, oh, yeah. Every bite's a melody, yeah. Cooking magic in your home, cause our food is never alone, oh. Yeah. Bless our foodies, yeah. The best food plug in town, yeah. Tasty bites around the way. Come on. Remember, we are doing the baking method. As you can see, the moimoi is already inside the baking tray. So I am just going to pour in some water inside the baking tray. So the heat of the water will help to cook the moimoi. After that, I will use a foil paper to cover it up before placing it inside the oven. I baked mine for 30 to 40 minutes. But you have to check that with your own oven. You know, ovens are different, so you know what time to set. Every sprinkle hits the spot, from the oven to your plate. Happiness, you just can't wait. Taste the love in every dish. And here we go, guys. Our oven baked Moimoi loaf is ready. You can see how delicious it's already looking. You can see it does not stick to the pan. So now I'm going to use a skewer to pierce through to check if it is well cooked. If it comes out dry, that means your moi moi is done, it's ready. So now I'm just going to take it out of the silicone mold for it to get cooled properly. So tell me, are you going to be trying this? If you ask me, I would say this is the best for the entire family. It makes the work very easy. As in, it reduces the workload in the kitchen. You know, you don't have to use so much moi moi containers. You just have to use just few and do less work after cooking. So once again, thank you everyone for tuning in today. Wherever you are watching us from, we sincerely appreciate you. Please remember to like this video, share, comment, and follow for more recipes. See you again in my next one. Bye.